to
I'm
represent the
so huge
region.
on that. Like the more value we spoke about this before. It's like the more value you give, man. It's
Yeah, yeah,
almost
yeah, yeah, man.
you
It does,
become
yo, it does get returned, man. And
every time.
one of the things the last thing I'll say before we go,
Mm-hmm.
there is a way to engineer luck, right?
Mm,
And you engineer luck by the amount of shots you take, how consistent you are, and your ability to handle no's. Your ability to be rejected. I don't see it as rejection. I see it as reflection. I
mm,
just reflect on that experience. I don't feel rejected. I reflect on what happened and realize, probably this wasn't for me, or probably I'm not ready, because what I'm ready for, I always get. So
yes.
like that's the core thing. But luck can be engineered. Every single time I've prepared, and I'm saying this even for myself because this is my biggest gamble yet, which is being an entrepreneur and putting a product out there. So you can engineer luck for example, you are like one of the few people, like probably less than 5 people in this country who are respecting the space of AI in Jamaica. As like, yeah, you like as a person who is really pushing and working hard at the
Yeah.
cutting edge. When I scroll past your content, I was just like, oh man, finally somebody knows what you're talking about. Like this is so refreshing to see, and that's because you're actually putting in the reps.
Right. Right.
You're taking it seriously, you're putting in the reps, and that, your reputation and really honing your craft opens doors for you. And this country is filled with opportunities. Trust me. People think there are no opportunities. That's not true. The opportunities, though, are for those who rise above being normal, who showcase that they have extraordinary skills and you get
Every time.
extraordinary
Yeah.
results. That's
Every
it.
time. Every time.
Yeah,
Every
man. Yeah,
time.
man.
That's wow. Thank you for saying that. Like
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm
Big up,
trying
man.
real hard, man. I'm trying real hard
Yeah, man,
with the
just keep it
content.
up, man. Just
Trying
keep
real
and
hard.
have fun. Yo, tech is fun. It's the best industry. It's so
Yeah.
fun. Like, yo, AI just make this thing a game right now. You
Like
just
it's
need to
so
survive. That's it. Just
like
survive to see the capabilities. That's
like
it.
it's so like I've had so much side project ideas in my mind for so long that I couldn't execute on because I was like, it would take so long to
Yeah,
develop. And it's like now, like I now have a website. I now
yeah,
have like a completely automated blog all of a sudden.
yeah,
I
yeah,
have
yeah,
content going out every day all of a sudden. It's like
yeah.
I'm 10xing so quickly. And
Yeah, man.
and to think one, that this is as bad as the models are gonna
Exactly.
get be.
Yeah.
And two, I haven't even tapped into like other types of automation, right? So
And as you get better and better, and as you build, and
Mhm.
that's the reason why I'm saying ensure that you explore the entrepreneurship side of things,
Yeah,
creating useful things, because then you start to tap into other layers of the hierarchy that will require automation. But yeah, man,
100%.
let's have a part two one of these days.
Yes,
Probably in a couple
no,
of months, we can have a
yes.
part two.
Part two
Yeah, man, yeah,
when
man.
Joyful has the voice app feature and my
Yeah, yeah,
app is
yeah.
out by then too.
Yeah, man, yeah,
Yeah.
man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Joe, thank you so much
Yeah,
for
man.
being
All right,
on.
yeah, man. Blessings. Yeah,
Blessings, man.
man.